Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Aisha from Bags of Style. Yes guys, as you can see, we have another unboxing. I'm so excited. You guys know I'm excited because when I do pick up pieces, I am genuinely excited because it's either piece that I've been looking at that I want to add, want to try out and things like that. But 99% of time, when I buy it, I'm keeping it. Anyway, guys, if you guys are new to my channel, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, join the family. We have so much fun here. We talk about everything that's bag related, whether luxury, contemporary, it doesn't matter. This is the channel for you. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys for the continuous support. And let's get into this video. Okay, guys, so as I stated, we do have another unboxing. I did pick up this piece. I think you guys will not be surprised where I picked it up from. I did pick up this piece from Agriculture. This is something that I've been looking at and I really wanted to add it to my collection. So without any further ado, let's get into this unboxing for today. Okay, so my dandy ceramic box cutter. Okay, can you guys guess what it is? Pause the video and take a guess. I want to see if you guys really know what I picked up this time. Take a guess, all right? Without any further ado, let's get into this box. Okay. I think you guys can guess. Yes, guys. So I did pick up the Alma BB in the Demi Bin print, guys. This bag is so beautiful. I love this bag. Yes, guys. So I did pick up this beauty from Agriculture. Looked like wow, it's like a 9+. Honestly speaking, it looks so good, guys. Look at it. Look at it, guys. Look at this. I do need to stuff it. So it does come with the crossbody right here. As you can see, so beautiful. It comes with the lock and key. It doesn't come with the clochette, which is okay because I do have the clochette on the Alma PM in the same print, in the Demi Bin print. So if anything, I'll use the clochette from there. All right, guys, look at the inside. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. So as you can see the inside, it's kind of like that dark, kind of like a burgundy or Bordeaux color, but it's dark. I thought it was going to be bright red, but I guess not. But this is the inside of it. Look how clean the inside look, guys. Let's see if I can open it. Look how clean it is. It's so clean, guys. So beautiful. Like I am in love with this bag. It does come with a double zip. As you can see, it has the double zip on there. It does come with 4 feet on the bottom, which I love, guys. You can see kind of like just a little bit of like nicks in there, but it's not really like significant. This bag is such a great condition. Look, it does, like I said, it comes with a double zipper. It has the little beautiful brown. Like this is one thing, as I told you guys, like now I have more monogram. I have a lot of monogram pieces, but the Demi Bin print, guys, it does something to me. Like I just think this bag is just so beautiful. Look at this, guys. Look how the condition is. Oh my God. And I picked it up for way below retail, guys. You guys know that I think the Demi Bin is retailing what the BB, the Alma BB is retailing for like what? 17 or 1900. I will put the correct price on the screen, but I think it's around that range. And I picked this up for like low thousands, like I'm not even sure. I think I picked it up for like 1100 or 1200 from Agriculture in this condition, guys. Like this condition is so beautiful. Like love everything about this bag. And the crazy part is that, let me just tell you a quick story time. This bag did not come with a strap, and Anthony named Bag Father, which is what we call him. He actually put another strap that he had from another Alma BB. He gave me the strap and he gave me the lock and key for free. Like I didn't have to. He was just like, Aisha, I want to make it a complete set for you, so when you get it, you will love it. And guys, he did it. He did it, guys. Like this bag is just simply beautiful. Like I had to add this bag to my collection, especially this print. I'm not sure if I want to add the the other print, which is the monogram, and then they do have the epi leather, and then they have like the imprint leather in this bag. But I am looking at adding maybe like the epi leather, but I'm not sure exactly what color yet, so I'm still kind of debating it. And with the monogram, I like it, but it's just the vachetta on the bottom because like the monogram, everything is vachetta except here, which have the monogram print, but the whole bottom is vachetta. The handles are vachetta, the strap is vachetta. So I'm not sure. I probably might add it and just spray it with Carbon Pro because I've had such a great luck with it. But I want to find one that's in great condition because honestly, I don't want to pay retail. I'm sorry. I don't want to pay retail for it. I want to probably look on the pre-love market. Most likely, if anything, I probably might get it from Anthony again, from Agriculture if they have a good price. If not, I'll look at either Rebag or Fashion File and pick it up from one of those three areas because you guys know those are the areas that I shop in. But guys, let's just let's just give this bag its beauty. Like I am so happy my first Alma BB is in this print. Like I just think it's so beautiful. I do want to stuff it, so I'll probably use the wrapper that it came with, the bubble wrap, and just stuff it so that it doesn't lose the shape because as you can see right now, it's like it goes in like this. So you see, it kind of just like lock kind of go like this. I wanted to keep the shape, but guys, welcome to Louis Vuitton Alma BB to my collection. I am so happy. And I don't know because I probably might want to do this like the speedy and just get all three of the print. Because you guys know with the speedy, I have the Demir Bin, the Demir Azul, and the monogram. So I probably might want to do the same thing and just do the trifecta in this bag. I just think it's so beautiful. And it's a bag, honestly, where it holds a lot because I've heard about that. It holds a lot. It's a small bag, but it packs a punch. So I'm is definitely happy that it's part of my collection, and I can definitely say that I have the Alma VV now in my collection because I was looking for it. I fell in love with the Alma PM, especially in this print. I fell in love with that bag, and I was looking for the BB size. Um, I'm not sure if I want an Alma MM. I'm not sure about that, but I do have. You guys know that I do have the PM in my collection, and I have the GM, which is in the the Steven Sprouse. I'm sorry, I don't know why I want to call him Russell Sprouse, but the Steven Sprouse collection, the limited version. I do have the GM and I have the PM, and now I have the BB, which is the smallest size. And I'm excited. Like I'm so excited. I love this. Like it's beyond expectation for me. Like this bag is 9 plus. Like I've seen I've seen like these on Fashion File and Rebag, and in this condition, they're charging like close to retail, and honestly, even sometimes more than retail for, especially in this 9 plus condition, they're charging so much for it. So when Anthony had it on the show, I was like, oh my God, you have it. Like I specifically asked for it, and he was like, Aisha, I got the bag for you, and I'm so happy. And for the price that I paid for it, way below retail, I probably might pick up the monogram from him. I'm not sure about the Demir Azur because most of those prints are not being sold anymore. So I might have to get it either from Rebag or from Fashion File. I'm still thinking about it, but this one, definitely, I am so happy about this. Oh my God. Guys, look. Let's just go around it one last time. Let's just give it all of the attention it deserves, guys. This bag is just so beautiful with the feet on the bottom and the strap that Anthony literally like he was like, here, I got the strap for you. I was like, what you do? He was like, yeah, because honestly, I was even willing to buy this bag without the strap because I guess the consigner that sent it to him didn't have the strap. So he literally was like, no, I'm going to get you the strap. So he got the strap and gave me the lock and key right here. As you guys can see, let's see. Let's see. He gave me the lock and key for free, guys. Look, so I have my lock and key. I love this bag. Anyway, guys, so that's the video for today. Just unboxing this beautiful, beautiful Alma BB, and it's part of my collection. Anyway, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.